Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to change your avatar on Snapchat. Alright, first of all, this is our start screen, just the camera that you will see now here. If you tap on your avatar left in the top, you will see this. My avatar from here is a bit naked, so I want to dress him. So then we have to tap on this logo right here. And now if you can see, you see my avatar just here and a lot of new clothes that I can buy. First of all, you need coins to buy clothes. And if you can see, 80 coins cost you $1, 200 coins cost you $200. So Snapchat wants that you buy some coins or tokens to buy clothes. Alright, this is not the way that I wanted to do, so I will check what is free. Now, if we go to maybe here, alright, this is not what I'm looking for. Alright, maybe something like this. Alright, I like this. This is nice, and if I'm searching for jeans, maybe this. Alright, this is very nice. You can do a lot of things. You can give it a dress, you can give it some shoes, socks, jeans, hat, whatever you want. But this is the avatar that I like it. So I want to save this one. So now I click on save. And from now the King Tommy Flex is saved. So if you can see, this is how it works. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please smash a like. Hopefully I see you in more videos, and I wish you a very good day. Ciao.